The Nikon ZX3 stands as a testament to Nikon's commitment to pushing the boundaries of modern camera technology, offering a blend of speed, precision, and versatility that caters to both photographers and videographers. Announced in June 2024, this full-frame mirrorless camera enters the market with a host of flagship-level features, yet remains accessible at a mid-range price point. Its headline innovation is the world's first partially stacked 24.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, designed to deliver exceptional speed and performance while minimizing some of the challenges traditionally associated with electronic shutters. At the heart of the Z6 III is its 24.5 OIX sensor, which employs a unique partially stacked architecture. This means the sensor incorporates high-speed processing circuitry bonded to its top and bottom, resulting in a 3.5 times faster readout compared to its predecessor, the Z6 II. The payoff is immediately evident. Rolling shutter artifacts are significantly reduced, making fast-moving subjects appear more natural, whether you're photographing athletes in motion or capturing fleeting wildlife moments. Coupled with the advanced EXPEED 7 processor, shared with Nikon's higher-end Z8 and Z9 models, users benefit from rapid continuous shooting speeds, reaching up to 120 frames per second in DX mode and up to 20 FPS at full resolution in RAW format. Autofocus is another strong suit of the Z6 III. Drawing on deep learning algorithms and the sophisticated systems found in Nikon's flagship cameras, it offers 299 focus points in auto area AF and 273 in single point AF, covering virtually the entire sensor area. With 9 subject detection modes, including people, animals, and vehicles, and sensitivity down to 0.10 EV, the camera locks onto and tracks subjects reliably even in near darkness. The introduction of 3D tracking, previously reserved for Nikon's top-tier models, ensures that moving subjects stay sharply focused, an invaluable asset for sports and wildlife photography. Features like pre-release capture, which buffers images up to a second before the shutter is fully pressed, help you never miss the decisive moment. Videographers will find the Z6 III equally compelling. It supports internal recording of 6K RAW video at 60 frames per second, as well as oversampled 4K 60p footage for maximum detail and clarity. For those seeking dramatic slow motion, full HD recording at 240 FPS is available, delivering smooth cinematic effects. The camera offers a suite of professional codecs, including NRAW, ProRes RAW HQ, and H.265, alongside features like N-Log, focus peaking, and creative LUTs for advanced color grading and post-production flexibility. Its electronic viewfinder is a standout, boasting 5.76 million dots of resolution, 4,000 its peak brightness, and a DCI P3 color gamut, ensuring a vibrant, true-to-life preview even in bright sunlight. Durability and usability are central to the Z6 III's design. The magnesium alloy body is both weather-sealed and freeze-resistant, ready to operate in temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius. The 4-axis tilting touchscreen, LCD, offers flexibility for shooting from challenging angles, whether composing a low-to-the-ground landscape or capturing overhead action. Connectivity is comprehensive, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, HDMI, and dedicated audio ports, while support for CF Express and UHS-2 SD cards ensures fast, reliable storage. Despite its many strengths, the Z6 III does have some trade-offs. Its dynamic range at low ISOs is slightly reduced compared to the Z6 II, and battery life, while improved with optional accessories, may require supplemental power for extended video shoots. Nonetheless, user feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, highlighting the camera's speed, image quality, and professional ergonomics. In summary, the Nikon Z6 III emerges as a well-rounded powerhouse, bridging the gap between enthusiast and professional needs. Its innovative sensor, robust autofocus, and advanced video features make it a formidable tool for creators who demand both speed and versatility in a compact, reliable package. Whether capturing stills or video, the Z6 III sets a new standard for what's possible in the mid-range mirrorless camera market.